Alright, we'll continue on this heading. Whenever you're ready, let's enter the power on departure stall.
Power on, okay.
Remember that one?
Yeah, 1500. And you said pitch for 55, right?
Yeah, but we're going to keep the nose nice and level. And we're going to let the airspeed bleed off to 50. So 50 is our rotation speed.
Okay.
Once we hit 50, we're going to pull back a little bit. We're going to add full power, and then we're going to continue to pull 1 degree per second. Keep that power.
Full power?
Not yet. We're going to pull that power back to 1500. Wait till we get to 50 knots.
No emergency, zero to contact 7 miles west Santa Monica Airport, layout 3001.
Cool, so now we pull back, we had full power.
Right, full power.
Full power, and just keep pulling up. 1 degree per second. Keeping the nose nice and straight with the rudder until we hit the stall. And we just drop the nose. There it is.
November 16 Lima, traffic
not that far down.
Mile, northwest south 4000 indicated.
Okay. Looking 16 Lima, descend. Alright, let's go to 3500.
35.
Yep.
50, where are you at?
Alright, here's 50, look outside.
Full power?
Yep, full power, pull that nose up. Pull the nose, pull the nose. We're using the rudders to keep it nice and straight. And just keep pulling 1 degree per second. Little right rudder, yeah. Keep pulling, keep pulling.
This thing is so hard to stall, dude.
Yep, here it comes. There it is. There you go, right there.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah, it likes to hang on the prop. We get down to rotation speed of 50 knots. That's when we pull back at full power. Go into the power on stall. More back pressure. Keep pulling back. Hold it right there.
So slow.
Cool, now even more. Tiny bit more. Alright, now we're waiting for 50. Here it is, back pressure, full power. Back pressure. Go right rudder. Bring it all the way up. Keep coming. There you go, keep it coming. No ailerons, just rudder. Keep it coming. Little left rudder. There it is, drop that nose.
Go.
And now you kind of come back up. Alright, let's turn left heading of west. Now let's pick up the Van Nuys 8.